In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a weekly scheduled email flow using Power Automate with Gmail. This process is similar to creating one with Outlook. You'll simply substitute the Gmail connector for the Outlook connector. Now, let's dive right into setting up a weekly scheduled email flow using the Gmail connector in Power Automate. First, you're going to head over to the Power Automate portal at make.powerautomate.com. Once you're there, look to the left navigation pane and click on Create. You'll want to select Scheduled Cloud Flow, and a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll set the foundational details of your flow. Start by giving your flow a distinct and clear name, something like Weekly Team Update via Gmail. Next, decide on the initial date and time for your flow to run for the first time. You'll set the interval to 1 and the frequency to week, signifying that this is a weekly flow. Once all these details are entered, click on Create. With your scheduled cloud flow created, now we'll configure the recurrence trigger, which will define precisely when your email goes out each week. You want to locate the recurrence action card and click on it to expand it. This is where some of the magic happens. Click on Show Advanced Options to get into the nitty-gritty details. Select your local time zone to ensure your flow executes on schedule. For instance, you might choose something like UTC 08 DOL Pacific Time if you're on the west coast of the US. Then, decide which day or days of the week you want your email to be sent out. Friday, perhaps, is a popular choice for many weekly updates. Finally, pinpoint the exact time you want the emails to be dispatched, using a 24-hour format to specify hours and minutes, entering, say, 9:30 for 9:30 a.m. Now it's time to add the Gmail Send Email action. Click on plus New Step and search for Gmail. When you see the option for Gmail, Send Email, select it. If this is your first time using the Gmail connector, you'll need to sign in and provide Power Automate with the necessary permissions to access your Gmail account. Once you're connected, you can configure the specific details of your email. In the To field, enter your recipient's email address or, if sending to multiple people, separate each address with a comma. Set the email's subject, maybe something like Weekly Project Status Summary, and then craft the body of your message to suit its purpose. With everything now in place, it's almost time to see your flow in action. Click on Save in the top right corner of your screen. You can then test your flow by clicking Test. Choose the Manually option and then click Test again. Finally, click Run Flow. Instantly, your flow will execute, and the test email should appear in your inbox. And there you have it, a straightforward method to automate weekly emails using Power Automate and Gmail. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.